Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss another topic of B.Ed Sem 2 and it is dictionary, thesaurus and electronic media as ELT resources. In previous video we have already discussed textbooks as ELT resources. If you haven't watched that video then you can watch it by clicking the I button. So without any delay let's start our topic. Let's start with the dictionary. So, we all know that using a dictionary for day to day language learning is an important study tool. The dictionary is an important reference book to improve vocabulary, spellings, meanings, and concepts. He or she can achieve maximum learning by improving his reference skills. Every student should have an inexpensive but useful copy of dictionary. They should be helped to correct themselves on spellings, pronunciations, meaning, usage, and style of speech or writing. So, this is basic details about dictionary. Let's discuss uses of dictionary. So, dictionaries can be used for quick reference, lexical purposes, antonyms, synonyms, parts of speech, forms of words, tenses, phrases, prefix, and suffix. These all are uses of a dictionary. Let's discuss another tool and it is thesaurus. A thesaurus is a dictionary of synonyms and antonyms. It can be also as any dictionary, encyclopedia or other comprehensive reference book. In a general usage, a thesaurus is a reference work that lists words grouped together according to similarity of meaning, containing synonyms and sometimes antonyms. In contrast to a dictionary, which provides definition for words and generally lists them in alphabetical order. The main purpose of such a reference work is to help the user to find the word or words by which an idea may be most fitly and aptly expressed. Although including synonyms, a thesaurus should not be taken as a complete list of all the synonyms for a particular word. The entries are also designed for drawing distinctions between similar words and assisting in choosing exactly the right word. Unlike a dictionary, a thesaurus entry doesn't give the definition of words. Next is electronic media. Electronic media are media that use electronics or electromechanical energy for the user to access the content. This is in contrast to static media, which today are most often created electronically but don't require electronics to be accessed by the end user in the printed form. Primary to the general public are better known as video recordings, audio recordings, multimedia, presentations, slide presentations, CD-ROM and online content. Media can be a component of active learning strategies as group discussion or case studies. Media could be film clip, a song you hear on the radio, podcast of lecture or newspaper article. Students can also create their own media. For example, a student video project can be a powerful learning experience. So today in this video we get some knowledge about dictionary, thesaurus and electronic media. So that's all for today. If you found it helpful then do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.